For joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2017 F-150 XLT in magnetic. It has grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It has a 3.5-litre V6 EcoBoost engine, and it's a 4x4. It also has the XTR package, which adds a little bling, with a chrome bumper, grille, handles, running board, as well as tow hooks. It also has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates and a max trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have these nice all-weather mats on the floor for easy cleanup. You have power pedals, lighting controls, and with the help of your running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and there's also a menu that we can toggle through. So we're just going to get in there. In the top, display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have submenus. Your automatic select shifter has tow haul and sport. It'll appear to the right when you press on it. So you're seeing tow haul, then S for sport, and off again. In the center, there's a little cubby up top, hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And we're seeing the display screen. We can touch on it for your audio. We turn down our volume, sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have navigation, and your map will come up. And then when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view there. There you go. And then your settings, you can touch on there, slide through for different options, things like Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can change the look of your screen and so forth. Volume and tuner. There's your CD player. Down below is your climate control. Heated seats for both driver and passenger, AC and max AC. Front and rear defrost. And off to the side, 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Down below, there's a little cubby, 12-volt, and USB outlets. In the center, we have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's also storage in there. You can flip this up for another seating position. It has its own seat belt. Unclip underneath, there's a couple of cup holders, as well as more storage. Off to the side is a 12-volt and 110 outlet. You also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto-dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder. There's a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that's for. And you also have a grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. Wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have a backup camera just below that handle, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up, you simply put your hand in the latch. You've got this nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. There's also a tailgate step, making it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position, and then just pull the tab to bring it back down. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. All-weather mat on the floor for easy cleanup, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, a couple of cup holders and a 12-volt. In the body, a grab handle. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.